My country people, on a good morning, on a good afternoon, on a good evening, depending on where you watch this video from or when you come across this video. My name is Igbenovia Osamudame, and I'm the report for Edo CBC. Today, my country people, I come monitor the job with one of our viewers from Edo CBC. Give the Oga where they do water collector stroke electric fence for Edo CBC. Oga, good evening, sir.
People, good evening, sir. My country people, na good morning, na good evening, na good afternoon, depending on where they watch me from. My name is Oganesi, the electric fence and water collector man. So today I can showcase this kind of electric fence.
What you do for one of Edo CBC viewer?
Yes, sir.
Okay, my correct people go post for this video. And if you watch your Oganesi video now for our website, where the link go there on top of this video, you go also do the comment section of this video. Your Google search. Just type edocbc.com.ng. For there, you go meet artisans. You go also meet professionals for them. Before I go patronize any of our partners, any of them are told me kuna beg me kuna they call us first to confirm if they see they with us or not. Our number the day on top of any of our videos. We don't also get branch now for data if you know say be artisan. And you research for data if you want to be one of our partners. Just call the number with on top of this video. We'll let you know what you go do for you to be one of our partners. Oh yeah, Oganesi. Now, which kind of work you can do for this house?
The electric fence. So this one, another pole. You'll see now stainless, but this one at the big side with the design.
This one come round.
Yes, design.
It be like staff of office.
Sharp.
Wow. Now, how many lines still be this one?
This one are 8 line.
The same 8 line.
Yes, sir.
But this one thick well. This one even big past that 40 by 40.
Yes, this one are the round one.
How the power be for you?
I they always connect so that you go to make this sound. You go to hear the sound. So that if you pass, you're gonna say current today.
Okay. Oh yeah, now make you suffer walk around. Although say time don't go small because me I come meet you when you dey work. I just say make I relax, make you do the work finish. So that we go fit test run out the owner. I will use my hand knack chair say I did the one Oganesi finish this work, so I know how the work take day. Oganesi, for your last video, people come to say if light not come day, how the electric fence go today, how you want to work. What you get to talk concerning that one?
Right from time, all the electric fence where they install, they come with solar. Like this one now, it come with big solar because most of the material where they now the owner specifically pick them out. You say, use this one for me, use this one for me. If you look at this one, you see here now, this place now a big hook. So you just want something unique for your work.
That's something big.
Yes.
Big things.
The solar, normally the solar where they use now 60 watts.
Okay.
But it requests for a more faster solar. Now with the solar where they use now 100 watts.
100 watts?
Yes.
Wow. This one now big things now they use.
Yes.
Okay. And as it take big now, so the money goes to big, sha.
Yes.
Don't be lie. Oh, yeah, Oganesi. Okay, that means this one not they use electricity.
No. Now solar now they power the machine.
Okay.
So now look the way where if you see and you see the way we are take cover this gate.
Yeah.
They're different from the ones where they do before. You carry the camera come closer. So this one I just step down like this.
I better step down with this one. Wow.
with the advance.
Not be small. It be like all those America film. They say they run their where they put Baba people. So both this under now and everywhere now they connected.
This under, if I test out for you now, they connect. Now the sun, I yes.
If we trigger now, you go this under, so you go work.
Yes.
But yeah, move from this side. I want to make you trigger this side.
Now the under be this one. We pick.
So my couple on the year. And now anywhere at all you from, where they follow the come, even you say now up you want follow, now under the gate or now beside them, that alarm go signal people to give the information, say person they trespass, that's also so and so as. This is beautiful. Okay, because whenever they run on that fence triggering before, I heard you Satan now because I don't want maybe say okay now on that fence they come follow and I see this. Okay. Everywhere are the same. No one be slim one. Everything are the same.
Yes, everything are the same.
Well, yeah, organize because of time. Make we quickly run through this inside. Make we all run inside fast.
Some people they always ask, oh, say the gate no go dey shock.
No, not the shock.
No, no dey shock.
No,
So
dey
you know
shock.
they connect and put for boot.
If they see want for night, say me they do one say for night, they will connect her for gate.
No, we know it's not advisable.
It's not advisable. So professional say it's not advisable. Then would they maintain the compound now. Okay. So my grandpa could I just take note of this job. I say make I go closer, because this one they quite different from the one what they do before. They different. Where? Okay. Weather don't drop some more. Oh yeah now.
So back to this side. If you look this side now, you see it face outside.
Yeah.
These bobbies they face outside.
Okay.
So because that outside now it be the street.
Okay.
Now still street, you just see be like front of the house.
Okay. Street see they decide.
You just see there, that make them face outside. So they add to the kind of beauty to them. But the moment they face inside or another person compound, then you will face this side.
Okay.
So you will see the straightness of the work. Well plumb. This one, if they say big pole soon, now this big pole not really talk about. Though they still get different type. Different type they. Get some maybe like say they blend. And I say you see they.
Organizing. I bet me could see if this backyard because they don't fair can do one or two for this compound before. Now I give birth to this electric fence. I bet me could see if this backyard if you see they well connected.
Okay, now the back be this. Now this one I tell you test now. That is the sound.
So we don't go past that level when we go talk can't happen. No, we don't pass that level. So that what soon as we could do, now we they do. Oh yeah, organize. Make we match. I can't like this one. The way it thick. Yeah, those way if you do that one for now, they can't like this one. Yeah.
So like this back now, you go to hear this time. I see connector and made the spark light.
Okay.
You carry the phone. So if they don't first from back here, they enter this copper before.
Carry their pumping machine.
So they carry move the boy already there. So if the person they come again next time, you only say call it today. So you the bridge once. You notice say that you put on a slide, no day, say the thing will they work. This one, that one.
I beg, organize near us some more. Even the spark, I dey see am.
So this one, the signal once.
Okay. We'll still go trigger am from that edge there. Oh yeah, organizing. I beg, trigger am from here. That's that middle there. We'll see. So now all junction.
Now the junction.
Okay.
So some people they always ask say, now only alarm me they blow. They shock.
They shock. Oh,
this machine, this one so. What they do it in the shop is say they even they burn. Like if you get in contact with her, it will burn your hand. So,
it too get.
You know, be saying now only alarm me they blow.
So say maybe they don't dark pass like this now. They see the spark of the light.
So now still fresh work. We just the finish am just now. And just now we dey finish am. Like most of the pipe, if you come here, and here now they will plaster here. So you will see say we hide the pipe, but here nobody will feel know. This place now, you see they never plaster the house.
Yeah.
They never plaster here. So in most cases, if you don't do your artwork and you want to secure your house, if you just call us after artwork, immediately after artwork, you fit do not be more say you don't plaster now. Like here now, you see say if once they want plaster here now, they will see the edge. So nobody will feel know the traces of the connection.
Okay.
Because in most cases they want to take on, they will find the traces. They'll from there disconnect on get access.
Okay.
So like this one now, as we just finish the work, now be this one soon enough. Just fresh work. Maybe see my generator, see everything. So they will plaster am back. It don't finish.
I did yes since I dey see when you dey arrange am, make sure say everything dey neat. Okay. So my people, this time the work we come to do CBC. Now electric fence be this one can't dey very unique. It's different from the ones where organics if they do before because of how this one take day. And this one carry big pole. The big pole can't carry crown for you up. Big stainless pole. Okay. Organics, you get one place where I want me for go trigger this thing because I want me to trigger it from all four corners of this house so that the owner of the owner into go see am so that he go know say ojoro not dey. Abeg organics, make we come trigger this electric fence for you. So now you get power reach now be that. If you touch am, if you cut am, if you add them together in any way where you want to do am, now the alarm now go signal people. Now go really signal people. Wow. Okay. Like here now you can't see arrange in a way. Abi?
Yes.
This two line where they under so see they connected.
Yeah, the two line they connected.
Nice one. So my cripple, I see there with organizing the water collector stroke electric face man. We did for Edo CBC. As I talk, I see one of our viewer, the job we give them now will come here, come monitor today. We don't go around this house. The house, they very massive. The job too, they very massive too. Oh yeah, organizing. Now contract now.
Yes, na contract job.
Okay. Now you provide everything.
Yes.
Okay. Now what did the owner of house provide for you?
Nothing. You only tell me say me I do according to what we discuss.
What about the cement when I do casting?
The cement, na me buy everything.
He bought the cement. Not be small. Oh yeah, this land now how big rich?
100 by 100. This one 100 by 100.
100 by 100 for the land. Oh yeah, both material, labor, cement where you buy, everything. Just now I can't shock say nah the wire where they use. I was very surprised say that kind of expensive wire. Now if they draw this current, I go commend you for that one. So some people now they'll go carry spoke till they do wire, till connect them. But you they buy wait till they expensive because you want me your work this solid. Both the wire where you buy wait till they run arm. The generator color you bring am.
Yes.
And everything will make up this work. So now how much you take one for this our viewer?
Like this one cost the total of 1.2.
1.2. Oh God, let's see. You never do this camera before.
No, the material they there.
Yeah. So my current for those of our way no organizing, for those of our way you don't work for, una go fit testify. Not because say they if you talk say I saw it be, believe na so it really be. 1.2 million naira. Only this poor alone, who see I go not say expensive day body. Although na luxury asha, luxury house need waiting day luxury. Luxury house, luxury material.
The spring are hook now, all those big one, pure neptic. The solar, like I said, now 100 watts.
Nah, 60 watts, na you they use before.
Yes, the one where they use now 60 watts. So the pole difference day.
Okay.
So that cost some.
So everything for here different from the one they do before.
Yes.
Now big things that you use for this one. So my correct one I don't hear from Oganesi, 1.2 million naira for this electric fence for 100 by 100. I know say some of them go say now the material, the one way they do before, sometimes like 700, 800, you know they reach like this. So and this material they different. If you see the pole, it carry crown for on top. See now it can be like that. And the solar too, now before now 60 watts. This one now 100 watts. So now see money, see with that one. The hook we use, now see the big one. Everything concerning this work now waiting big. Now see make the money different. Make una see understand. Oh yeah, organizing for person if he give you 1.2 million naira, me to do electric fence for them. And every other person where they patronize you. Now what you get to tell them?
For people where they patronize me for this, they probably give me this job. I gotta say, God will bless you. We live long. Probably no will come your place in Jesus' name.
Amen. Oh yeah, organize it quickly now for those who go see this particular job. We go want me you can't do something similar for them. You can't give them your phone number now.
My phone number remains 080 51310755. That's my WhatsApp number. So you can only reach me only on WhatsApp.
Can they go for normal call?
The other number, normal
okay, the normal, okay, that one you don't know how offered.
No.
Okay. So my correct organizing number go the display for the under for this video, while Edo CBC own go day on top of this video. I join my voice with that of organizing. You to really appreciate the owner of this house and every other person will be like you, where they patronize them, they also support them. Will not do well for a body. It's not really easy. And I don't mind now be the devil's workshop. The first one I don't make can day I do not they engage with this job. So I did thank una well. Thank you all. Thank you all. Thank you all. The number did the under for this video. If you want make it can't do electric fence for you, call out with the number where did the under for this video. If you see want me can't do water collector for you, call out with the number where did the under for this video. If you want me you do the two together, me you run the two, the water collector and the electric fence, just call out with the number where did the under for this video. My country my name, say remaining me via some of them. and this na Edo CBC.